One of our favorite companies to work with here in Rhode Island is Holliston Sand. They are an elite provider of sand and natural stone products based in North Smithfield, Rhode Island. So they are NSF certified, and every municipality in the country uses sand to filter water for tap. So when you turn your faucet on, Holliston Sand had probably something to do with it if you live in Rhode Island. When airports use sand, the grains of sand need to be large enough to grip the tires of the plane, but they have to be small enough to pass through a jet engine without harming it. So an incredibly fine window of sand that needs to be sorted and organized, or else it wouldn't work. And Holliston is capable of this precision level of sand engineering. They asked us to step in and help rebrand the company, give them a platform to stand on as an identity, develop their website design and video production. It's a really good case study to see all of the things that we are capable of doing and doing well. So one of the first things that we did was look at where their current logo was, or the previous logo was, and try to dissect all the things that were wrong with it. I could tell right away that it was kind of an amateur designer who was working on the design. We go through this really extensive questionnaire process where we ask questions like, what kind of music does the company listen to? What kind of car does the company drive? What kind of adjectives best describe the company? What we're trying to do is understand that personality and then talk about the best parts of it. In the beginning of the branding process, we love doing a tagline study, even if tagline is something that they would never use. It's a really great way to show off just the fact that we get it. Holliston Sand Precision Granular Engineering was one of the first ones that we came up with. Holliston Sand Particle Perfect has the alliteration, kind of cheeky. Holliston Sand, the element in every day. So the element in every day is a fantastic tagline that they are now using as even a sales pitch when people ask them, so what is Holliston Sand? What do you guys do? And they say it's the element in every day. It's part of your everyday being. So the logo isn't the only thing in the branding study, but it is surely one of the most important things. So we go through these hand sketches and we start to get ideas about mark and what that single unifying symbol might be. We move on to typography. We take a lot of care and precision into choosing the right typeface that's going to explain who Holliston is. We started to develop the actual recommendations of where we wanted to see the brand go. Something magical happened when we put this shape into a larger circle. We call this direction the pan. Because in the world of sand, there is kind of one way that you sift different size granules of sand. It's through a sifting pan. We thought that the pan was a winner. Proof of concept is taking that chosen direction where we were going with the logo and the mark and really expounding the creative process and the branding identity through all the collateral that's going to be used to the company that tells the story of who the company is. Since the branding exploratory, we've got to do some incredible work for them. Of course, rehashing their website from this really bland old site to this fun, dynamic, large-scale site. Getting to write, interesting copy like we've been waiting millions of years to bring you an amazing product. And the story really solidifies when you watch their video, which we had the privilege of doing for them. Not only their overview video, but also for customer testimonials. We got to visit their actual customers who use their sand on a daily basis. And we're excited to work with Holliston as we continue to move forward in unearthing, what's next in their marketing process and what kind of industries that they're going to be a part of tomorrow.